Hi, went out for a day trip to Ingleton Waterfalls Trail. Absolutely beautiful.
What did you go?
The trail takes around 4 to 5 hours. It's not very hard, very moderate for all levels even. The waterfall is just absolutely stunning. As you can see from the video, I would recommend everyone to go have a visit. If you love nature, this will really make you happy. Freshen up your mood. There's 6 different waterfalls to see. The trek takes around maybe 4 hours with a little break for lunch or something like that. But if you see how beautiful this whole place is, absolutely scenic, really beautiful. I'd recommend everyone to go.